The Sky Watchers seek one objective, yet another flying saucer to add to the lengthening list of claimed sightings over an area becoming known as the Warminster of Wales. To these observers on the dark peaks of the Preseli Mountains, the UFO phenomenon, whatever it may be, is no longer a giant spoof. The logbook of their research association records more than 30 alleged sightings in Dyfed in the last 2 years, as many as 24 concentrated over the Pembrokeshire countryside. The quest is rational, and at least most of the minds are open to any proven explanation. That means equally that the most extreme solution, visitations by celestial strangers, isn't discounted, despite the frequency of the sightings now being reported. But for those who've come face to face with the UFO phenomenon, the experience is no less strange for becoming almost commonplace.
And I saw this like a ship in the field, and I was watching it for a few minutes.
A spaceship, you mean?
Yeah. And I was watching it for a few minutes, and this figure like come towards me, and I noticed the very high cheekbones and the large eyes, and I was, pretty terrified.
What I saw was a sort of silvery cigar shaped, fairly long, with a silvery dome on top, with what looked like windows, and orangey to red light flashing.
You're a young lad. Sometimes boys try to pull people's legs. Can you assure me that you're not leg pulling now?
Well, we wouldn't be pulling it for this long.
BUFORA, the British UFO Research Association, casts itself in the role of a scientifically orientated body, counting astronomers, geophysicists, and other scientists among its members. The evidence compiled nevertheless smacks of upmarket space fiction that seems to defy a rational solution. Tonight, the UFOs aren't flying here. The Sky Watchers content themselves with a photographic brief of what they might have seen. Yet ufology is no longer mythology, even for some serving officers in the armed forces. Squadron leader Tim Webb discounts the possibility that it can be written off as an advanced military technology by a nation on Earth.
Speaking as an individual, I can see very little military application for this subject, and one would imagine that they are of an extraterrestrial nature. Of course, there were, in the last war, the Foo Fighters that caused alarm and despondency amongst both sets of pilots, those on the Axis side and those on the Allied side. The Axis powers blaming the Allies for some invention, and the Allies returning for this strange sightings that were seen by pilots. Now, I think that it certainly is of some extraterrestrial nature.
We have a phenomenon which I think will be with us for a very, very long time, if we ever do indeed unravel it at all. But it is now assuming proportions which inevitably must focus the attention of the public, and I hope ultimately the governments of the various countries in the world, in some attempt to find out the where, why, when, and what.
This is the first time.
Ted, if you take that sector over there,
From
that sector there, and I'll go to northwest.
Come on.
Okay.